Welcome! In front of me I have SmartMi Evaporative Humidifier, and I'm going to show you how you can connect this device to your Android phone and Mi Home application. So at the first we have to grab a cable and put it to the power supply. When you hear this notification sound, you have to grab your phone, then simply turn on Bluetooth location and be connected to the Wi-Fi. Next we have to move to the Mi Home application. If you don't have it, you have to get it from the Play Store. If you have this app right now, you can move to the right upper corner on this marker and then select SmartMi Evaporative. Next, just click right here. We have to accept this stuff, then click next. And right now we are going to be connected to this device, so just wait a little bit. Okay, and right now we have to choose our room, so click, then tap next. Here is the name of our device, we have to click next also. And right now let's get started. And as you can see, we have to accept this privacy policy, and when you scroll down, we can use our new functions of this device, and that's how you can connect this device to your Android smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.